I had 4 back-to-back losses, and here's why. What's up guys, it's your man Tricky T and I'm an artist currently trading Forex to fund my music, and the goal for this year is $100,000. Come with me on this journey. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe, does a lot for the channel. Thank you. Now, so unlike me, yeah, I lost like trades back to back, and this is what happened. And it happens to a lot of us, even the best of us, and I'm still learning. And that was the fact that I took a trade that went against me. I lost. And my number one principle is, when you take a loss, leave the market. Give the market some time. Go and think. But I refused to do that. I said, you know what? I would go in again, right? And then I went in again for a second time, and then I lost. Third time, I lost. Fourth time, I lost. And here's why I was in the market and I was wrong, because I believed that the market was going to go in my direction. Eventually, guys, it went in my direction, but it went in my direction about 12 hours later, right? So just imagine if I had taken that first loss, I waited, cleared my head, and came back to the market later, I probably would have not lost back to back like I did. What am I trying to tell us, guys? It's difficult, but we need to get to that point where when we take a loss, we just leave the market alone. We're like, you know what? We take a chill pill. We just leave the market alone. We go and do something else and come back. That would save us a whole lot. Now, the thing with losing that I lost is I didn't blow my account, because on every trade, I was not risking more than 20% of my account, right? 20%? No, I think I was risking about 10% of my account on every trade I was taking, you know. But like I said, the market still did what I thought it was going to do, but I was just too early. I entered the trades too early. And if I had waited a little longer, if I had gone to clear my head, close the charts, waited and came back, I believe I would have profited from that trade. But hey, it is what it is. We are still learning. So tell me what you guys think. What is your own experience when you're losing back to back? Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.